Hello friends, my name is Chetan Vadadia and this time on Unacademy we had came up with a NTSE test series for class 8, class 9 and class 10. So all the student of class 8, 9th and 10th can give this test series. This will be helpful for all type of competitive exam, not only for NTSE but all type of competitive exam which I have created. I have taken 25 questions from different chapters, so you can go and enroll and give this test. This will be very beneficial guys to you to know which chapters are very strong for you and which chapters are, you can say, weak for you, means you are weak in which chapter. Everything you will come to know after this test series. I am going to do one analysis session guys, analysis session in which I will tell you in which chapters you are very strong and where you need to work hard. Everything I am going to do after this test series. So how you can enroll this, how you can join, that I am going to tell you. Just what you need to do, this is the link. I will give you this link in the description also. You just need to click on that. Whenever you will click on that, a new page like this will appear guys. You can see, just you need to click on the enroll button on side. In mobile also, if you will open, you will get this type of enroll button. You need to click on that. They will ask you a code. They will ask you a code. You need to give this code at Galaxy Coaching. Galaxy Coaching without space. Okay, if you will use this code, you will be able to give this test guys. So just you need to click on the enroll button and this. So the test will be from 9 to 9:30 a.m. on Sunday. After this test, I am going to conduct an analysis session. For that, you need to click on this link. So this link also I will give you in the description. Whenever you will click on that, directly you will be taken to my class. But the timings for that on Sunday will be 9:45 to 10:45. So without wasting much time guys, quickly enroll this and give this test. All the student of class 8, 9th and 10th can give this test. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much guys.